Hey, how's it, Dad? Hey, what's up, guys? Today we are coming at you live with a new video. We are out here with a new video. It's going to be a double unboxing. We got the Yeezy 500s. Unfortunately, these aren't mine. These are my sisters, Laverne and Melissa. They got themselves a pair, and you know, I really wanted to get myself a pair, but I just got too many shoes. And your boy's broke. You know, they gave me the opportunity, the privilege to unbox this, which is cool, and I'm gonna take advantage of it. So thank you again, Melissa and Laverne. I appreciate you guys just for that. Here's you guys' IGs. You can check them out. Maybe like the pic with the fit. But let's get to it. We got two unboxings. One from Adidas. The other one is from stoked. Yeezy 500. Mel, you ruined my video. Thank you. One from Adidas and one from stoked. So yeah, let's do it. All right. Well. First, we'll unbox the Adidas box first. So, here's the box. Oh gosh, was that the shipping label the whole time? Jeez. Okay, so this is the box. And both of these sides got shipping labels. We're gonna leave that out, but it's basically just a box. Yeah, let's start opening this. Bam! As soon as you open the box, that big 500. What? 400? Well, 500, but yeah. Alright, so we'll take this out. Oh, it's so cute. They got small feet. That is the Adidas one, which is going to be Laverne's. It is a size 6 men's. We tried to convert it, and we believe size 6. She's a size 6 in men's, and nothing else in the box. So hopefully it fits her. If not, I don't know how. They didn't even give us like a returning label or shipping stuff. So we'll see how that goes. Let's do the stoked one. Regular box, empty. We got some writings on the side. Pretty sure that's from the delivery truck, not stoked. Not too sure. On the top of the box is the shipping label. And just like the other box, we got 500 right out on the bat. And then shout out to stoked for having explodables, man. Here's the other one. These boxes are cute compared to mine. Like, they are so small. It's nothing else is inside the box. They're so small because they got like women's size feet, obviously, compared to like what I regularly see on the daily because of my shoes. I'm like a size 9.5, 10. But anyways, back to the point. We got two Yeezy 500s. Double unboxing about to go down. We got the utility black, which is, I believe, the midnight version. Can you guys focus? And then we got the, in my opinion, the better colorway, the Super Moons, the yellower butter colorway. Going off of the box, as you can see, it says Yeezy 500 size 6. Utility black, F36640 is the code, made by Adidas. Yeezy 500 on the side, same thing, nothing else around it. Small Adidas 3-stripe logo, nothing else on the sides. So opening the box, I do not know how to open this. Oh, just kidding, you just slip it out. So nothing in the box. These are so cute, fam. Look how small they are. Oh my gosh. Wow, they're so small, dude. Alright, check this out. So this is the midnight black, and wow, this is nice actually. I'm starting to regret sleeping on this. So inside you just got your tissue paper. It is so cute. It is so small. Let me get a pair of my shoes. Look at the difference, yo. It's so great. Alright, back to the point. Let's unbox the Super Moons. So the Super Moons, same thing. Hey, whoa, we're stuck. Hello? So if you order from stoked, obviously, if you don't know what happens there, the transaction is you order it, the buyer ships it straight to stoked. stoked confirms if it's authentic, so you know, you get that buyer guarantee. You get this card basically confirming that it's, or well, their instructions of what they do, and confirming that it is an authentic pair. I've heard things where people got fake pairs from stoked, but I don't want to talk about that. That's for a different story. Here it is, receipt. You get that stuff going in. In my opinion, it's bougie approved. Let's say that. All right. So I say they're cool. Wow. These are nicer. These are like the butter. You know how they got the Yeezy 350 butter? All right. Let's take out the other pair. So there it is. Inside the box, you get that tissue paper and then a stoked sticker. And on the left pair, they left the verified authentic stoked hang tag. Check that out. There's a scanning code on the other side of what. Let me see what that's about. The tag is removed. It's basically like voided if you try to return it. Let's bring the two together. Again, the Super Moon and the Midnights, you know, the blacks, the yellows, or butters. Oh wow, dude. Okay, just by holding them from like this, the cushioning is super plush and it just feels comfortable. So right off the bat, the first thing you probably will notice is that how chunky the shoe is. On the left pair, you get tags. basically stating what the shoe material is, the size tag and stuff. Basically get the same tag on the Super Moons, but this time it's on the right shoe. So getting into the shoe for the Midnight, you got multiple mesh patterns going around, as you can see. And then you got that suede going on. Like, what I like about it, it's not a black, it's like a grayish black. Right here is what is this? Let's see if we can get close up with that. You see it? It's like a rough kind of material here. I don't know if it's like a mud guard. I don't see any 3M, but I remember one of the homies got a pair, and like these parts right here actually shine. So that's 3M. This right here is 3M on the tongue right here. You can't see it, but once you take a picture, a little flash, you'll see it. Check out the bottom of the soles. These are super chunky and really grippy. You can just look at it. Wow. Oh, whoa, wow. Check this out. It's not boost, but it is squeezy. It's plushy, the bottom. I love it. It's cool. But anyways, yeah, back to the point. Yeah, the bottom is actually really chunky. It kind of gives like that foot kind of mold. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Look at that. You got your toes here, you know, on the foot. It's the arc. So this is the inner side of the shoe. Check it out. Got an Adidas logo going on right here. Going in the back of the shoe, no pull tab, but as you can tell, this part, it kind of gives that easy slip. So I think that's the reason why there is no pull tab. Shoelaces, regular flat laces. Aglets are plain. Yeah, nothing on it. No Yeezy, no nothing. Check out the inside of the shoe. Yeezy, Adidas, Ortholite. So yeah, the Ortholite is actually it's more of a plushy performance kind of insole, so it's comfortability. Got the shoe size tag to size 6. It's cool, man. Let's start giving some love to the Super Moons, because this is more of my favorite colorway. If I had to get a pair, I'll get the Super Moons. Don't be fooled. It looks kind of blushy right now, but it is more of a buttery colorway, like the Yeezy 350 Butters. Same thing, but different colorway. I don't know if let's see if I turn on. Yeah, that's not gonna help. So looking at the shoe, we get various parts of mesh patterns going around for that air ventilation for our feet to breathe. I believe this right here, this material is on the Yeezy 950, the duck boot. You see that? The ankle part of the shoe, look how plush that is, dude. That's comfortable right there. Look at the tongue. It's so plushy. Like, it got a lot of cushion for that plushing. It got a lot of cushion for that comfortability. Really what I'm trying to say. But yeah, and then you got some suede here, like for the lace holes on both sides. You see that? That's suede. You got suede on like every part of the shoe, basically. But this is the most suede right here. Just stands out. You can see that. You see that color change. You know what I'm saying? Dope. Inside the shoe, same thing. Yeezy, Ortholite, Adidas, size tag right there. And the thing about this shoe, the tongue is attached, if you can see that. So it hugs your foot, man. It hugs your foot. It's looking good. Same laces, the usuals. Nothing on the aglets again. Kind of cool. You see how it's like so spaced out here? You would think laces would cross here, but nope. The lacing system it skips it by a lot, which is pretty cool. Non-marking soles. See that? So you could wear these to work. So anybody who needs like to wear black shoes, like full-on black shoes, this is probably a good work shoe. Yeah, adiprene technology in the soles, no boost. Honestly, I think people are sleeping on this shoe just because there's no boost or something, but I really think this is a cool shoe, especially where fashion is going with the whole chunky dad sneaker look. This is a W right here. This is looking good. All right, guys, again, if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm gonna appreciate that so much. Thank you guys so much. We'll be coming out with more videos soon. Stay tuned. More content coming soon. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna cut it. Peace out, guys. Enjoy the B-roll.
Yeah.